Imagine getting an easy coding question in a problem challenge, but still getting rejected because of poor explanation skill. Today I will show you how to solve the diffing and IP address problem like a pro developer. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Preval. In today's video, we solve question number 1108, defining an IP address. If you want to mastering DSA coding questions, lead code problems, clean C++ coding, then you are in the right place. Let's jump strategy into today's problem. So, here given a valid IP address, our task is to replace every dot with square bracket dot. Here given an example, input address equal to 1.1.1.1. Our task is replace dot to square bracket dot. Here we output the 1 square bracket dot, then 1 square bracket dot, then 1 square bracket dot. Here given another example, address equal to 255.100.50.0. Our output is to convert dot with replace square bracket dot. So our output is 255 square bracket dot, then 100 square bracket dot, then 50 square bracket dot, then 0. It's a given example. So, why this question asks normal? This problem checks strategy transversal, character handling, and basic manipulation operation logic. Even though it's easy and want to see clear coding style and edge cases awareness and simplicity. So, what our approach to solve this question? Here, the idea is simple. Create an empty string called result and transfer every character in the IP address. So, if the character is dot, then append with square bracket dot. Otherwise, we append the character itself. So, it's a simple and efficient logic to solve this question. Now, let's start the code. So, here we take a string, a variable result, that we run for loop character ch that having an address. After that we check a condition if ch equal to having dot, then we replace with dot to square bracket dot, then we write result plus equal to square bracket dot. After that, if condition is not satisfied, then we write else condition to add the original value, means result plus equal to original value ch. After that we return the result 1, so return result. Now the given example test case, to test it, to run it, here given example are the passes the accepted this code. Now we write in the code how this work. So we take an example number 2, address is equal to 255.100.50.0. So here we take the given example 1. Here address equal to this. For here we starting from 255. First we take 2. After that its action is added. So write added. After its result also a 2. After that we go another 5. It's also added. So here we write added. After that here result is 2 5. After that here having another 5. Here we added 1 to 5, means the result is 255. So here we write 255. After that it having a dot, means we replace dot to square bracket dot. So here we write replace. So here is we write 255 square bracket dot. After that having 1. So here we added 1. added 1. After that we write here 255 square bracket dot 1. After that 0. Here also we added 1 0. Added 1. After that we write here 255 square bracket dot and 1 0. After that here also a 0, so here 0 is also added, so write added. So here we write 255 square bracket dot then 100. After that having a dot, so here dot we replace it to square bracket dot, so we write replace. So here we write 255 square bracket dot, after that 100 square bracket dot. After that we check 55 means here light a 5, here add a number, and here the result is 255 square bracket dot, after that 100, then square bracket dot, after that 5, after that here 0, here 0 also added action, so we write added. After that here answer is result means 255 square bracket dot, after that 100 square bracket dot, after that 50. After here having a dot means we replace the dot to square bracket dot, so here we write replace. Here we our result is 255 square bracket dot, after that 100 square bracket dot, after that 50 50 then square bracket dot. After that here having a 0, so write 0. It's added. Here the final result outcome is 255 dot 100 then square bracket dot 50 then square bracket dot 0. It's a replacing word, and here we write the result one in a string bracket. So here all the things are written in string bracket, so here we write in the string bracket 1. Here it's a final answer of this question. So now we submit the code. So first we submit the code. Here out of 62 test cases are passed, and the time complexity of this question is OFN because we transfer the string once, and the space complexity of this question is OF1 because we create a new string. So it's always explain why you are using a new string, because the strings are immutable in many languages and clear the modify original string. So its another tip is in normal problem solving, even easy question matter if you explain is strong. So can we do this in place in C++? Not efficient for this extra case because dot square bracket dot increase string size, easier and clean to use another string. So, why this approach is best to solve this question? We have given I transferred the string once and built a new result string by replacing dot with square bracket dot and achieving linear the complexity. So, the common mistake to solve this question is forgetting quotes around dot square bracket and using character instead of string, modifying original string incorrectly. If this video helped you understand the problem solving clearly, like the button, subscribe for daily coding videos, comment if IP defect if you understand this question. Then next video is coming of valid palindrome. You do not want to miss that one. Keep coding, keep learning, and remember consistent beat than talents. Thanks.